Jaguar is a poem written by Sylvia Plath's husband Ted Hughes, in which Ted Hughes talks about the inhabitants of the zoo who are completely trapped within the cage altogether. He talks about how the apes are bored, the tiger is lazy, the parrots are very dull. Everyone is absolutely lifeless living in a cave. However, here comes the jaguar, and what you're able to see in the jaguar is full of energy, excitement despite being in cage. Now, what was Ted Hughes trying to tell us? Ted Hughes was basically trying to tell us about the fact that you can choose to be like those animals or you can choose to be like the jaguar. Now सिर्फ नेट में ये इन्फॉर्मेशन पता होना कि टेड ह्यूग्स ने जैगवार नाम की पोएम लिखी है इज नॉट इनफ, बिकॉज लेट्स सी किस तरीके का क्वेश्चन नेट में उन्होंने हमें दिया है. तो नेट के अंदर आपका जो क्वेश्चन आया हुआ था दैट वाज बेसिकली देव गिवन अ लाइन फ्रॉम जैगवार ऑल टुगेदर द बाउस constrictors coil that is there. So basically it's also very important for us not just to do the title of the work and the writer, but it is extremely important for us to know important aspects, lines. जैसे ब्लेक के लंदन के अंदर माइंड फॉर्ज्ड मैनिकल्स आती हैं, ऐसी ही सारी चीज़ें हम लोग क्रैश कोर्स के अंदर अच्छी तरीके से डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ देयर 7 more days left to start the crash course. Make sure that you also enroll yourself, register yourself in case if you're having any doubts, any problems, and you want to make sure that the June attempt is very well prepared for you. Again, please remember it's very important for having a breadth understanding as well as a depth understanding that's going to make sure that you ace the exam.